Last story of the day. What's going on in Japan? Wearing someone else's face. That's what's going on.
Oh.
Hyper-realistic masks to go on sale in Japan. Facial camouflage, but somebody else's face. So you just feel the need, Will, to wear someone else's face, not your own.
Man,
Just
wearing someone's face.
I mean, it's not their
What
actual
a
face. It's a mask, but it's a mask of their face. It is curious that this type of stuff doesn't happen more often, but I guess it's happening now. Now, this is not any kind of high-tech type of thing. It's more art, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I agree.
And these faces, what'll happen is it's an artist's rendering based on the identity of an actual person. And they try to make it look as photorealistic as possible. They're going to be expensive because they are truly pieces of art, as far as I'm concerned. They're going to come in around $950 USD a piece. Okay. But I don't know if people will actually wear them, or is it more art you can wear? I mean, it's certainly it's a vibe to it, man. It brought me back to was it the original Mission Impossible where they were peeling peeling the masks off that are hyper realistic? This obviously doesn't look quite like that. You'd have to have some long hair, or you mentioned a hoodie or something to make it believable. But the lips aren't going to move, or
they're probably made of a harder material. Is it rubber?
You know what? No, they're actually made of. It does say it in here.
Created on a 3D printer.
3D printer. They sent photos and launched the project in October. An artisan then reworked the winning image created on a 3D printer. So I don't know what it's made out of. It seems super thin to me. Maybe not quite like paper, but also not crazy robust. Anyway, it doesn't go into a tremendous amount of detail as to why people want this, but I think it's more of a why not. I don't know, because you can type of thing.
Yeah. Maybe have a collection of faces.
You get to go out as some different person all the time. I don't know how healthy that is.
I agree with you. I think it's more of like an art piece. Where
it's an art piece.
Maybe collect.
It's like a hyper-realistic... What did you say?
You wear it occasionally?
You wear it occasionally.
Night out on the town?
Wow. Yeah. No, but isn't it weird, Will, that masks, the idea of a mask is okay. It's like, oh, Halloween or, I don't know, Mardi Gras or something. A mask, but if it's hyper-realistic, it's weird.
Yeah.
They have to be novelty, but like, if they look like another person, then all of a sudden you ask the question, what are you doing with the mask?
Yeah. Why are you wearing why are you wearing me?
Yeah, well, why are you wearing my face? Why'd you choose that one?
Yeah, it gets into the uncanny valley vibe too.
Right.
Where it's not a person.
Yeah, because you're not having fun. It's not a joke. I guess when you wear those novelty masks, you're having fun. It's like, I'm wearing this because it's fun. This mask is, I can't see your identity at all, and you've chosen just another person's identity. It's very curious.
Like, what are you doing?
Anyway, the things look kind of scary realistic if it weren't for the edges. You can see the edges of the thing sitting on the front of the face. Although maybe that's the point. Maybe they still want people to know it's a mask. Maybe it's just about the artistry. Maybe, Will, it's just, wow.
That I can appreciate.
This is amazing how hyper-realistic an artist can render a human face, and I want to wear that. I mean, this guy wearing his own face on a mask, that's a different level.
Yeah.
I mean, he has the face.
Yeah, he's doubling it up. You think he does, though? Or is this just an example?
I think I would.
You would? You would wear your face?
If I'm trying to sell masks of realistic faces, how crazy would that be? I'm out in public. I got the fake face of my own face. I lift that face. I'm like, this is my face. And I can show people, just like this image, how good of a job could be done.
Yeah, it's like the real thing. Oh, my goodness.
I could just hold it up next to my own face, and I just marketed a face for you to buy. Look, man, I don't know. What can I say?
Yeah.
Japan.